All right, in this video, I'm going to show you a super cool feature in Photos that you can use. What we're going to do is go ahead and open up the app, and I'm just going to pick this picture of me and my dad. Check us out right there. Now, if you look, that's a live photo, right? But if you go up here and you click on this little arrow, this is telling you it's got a drop down, right? Check it out. Watch this. Now I've got a couple options that I can choose from. One of the things I can do is I could make a loop, and this is a loop. Now watch this. And you're going to see him open his mouth and do that like 100 times, right? The other thing that I could do a bounce where it goes back and forth. You see how he's doing it like blap, 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 blap. That's a bounce. So what it does is it goes, instead of going linear and just looping like this, it goes here and then it just goes backwards. Then it goes forwards and then it goes backwards. And that's what a bounce is. It goes forward, then it goes backwards. Forward and backwards. So you can get your video, your live photo, which is really a video, to bounce back and forth. So it's a kind of a cool effect. Unless you're doing what my dad's doing in this picture. And then the last thing here is the long exposure. Now let's see what that does. Look at, it's kind of out of focus, right? So I'm not, I don't know what the long exposure really is, to tell you the truth. But if you want to do the cool little bounces and loops, you've got that as a new feature in the iPhone 12 and 13 in iOS 15 point whatever it is now. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff. Peace out.